Well, look at the clear difference between I would just draw a rectangle there,
Right.
and then say, okay, price comes in here, what? But versus actually understanding why that's there, understanding what's behind it, understanding how to react. And actually, in this particular case, as you said, it's actually more refined by having that understanding too.
Yeah. So I think it's a very good example of fair value gap, longer time frame chart. And this could have been a good target too. Like that short trade that I took up here
Yeah.
at the 5360s. This was my entry up here, 5360.
Back to your point there, as you mentioned, in terms of picking your take profits, price could have at the low of debt reversed. And therefore, if you had held that trade, all that work, that deciphering of the charts and everything, and that patience to then execute is wasted.
Exactly. Yeah. And that's why it's so important to follow the plan. And what could have been a good target. And we could say all we want, coulda, shoulda, woulda, but it's how you execute the trade. If you look at my entries and my exits here, my exits were nowhere near the low of that move. And this would have been a very life-changing move if I could have called it that low, but you can't look at that. I got to look at, I had a plan. I followed my plan. Yeah. I sold when I had to sell. I took profit when I had to take profit. Mm-hmm. And that's the only thing I have control of is just following my plan and managing my risk. I can't look at where the market went next. It could have easily reversed on me and this could have been a losing trade.
Exactly. Do you have scenarios though where you do hold to a longer targets at all?
It depends on the market's conditions and the market context. Not every trade. For me, I like hitting my target, getting out, and then looking for another entry somewhere else. Mm-hmm. I'm looking to capitalize on the short-term price movements in the market.